All right, and winds are a big factor in a forecast, especially on severe weather days like yesterday. KIMT StormTrack 3 meteorologist Hunter Donahoe tries to hold on to his weather hat in this week's Ask Away, discussing how winds form.
For this week's Ask Away segment, we're talking about something we deal with every single day. That's wind. Tori wants to know what exactly causes the wind, breezes, the gusts, the sustained winds that we do see. So let's talk about it. We, on a global scale, see mainly two areas of pressure, one being high pressure, one being low pressure. Air pressure itself is always trying to reach a state of equilibrium or balance. In order to do that, we have the winds that are produced between these two areas of pressure. And one thing that I talk a lot about on KIMT News 3 Daybreak is these lines of equal pressure. They're called isobars. When they're spaced apart, that is those weak winds thanks to weak high and low pressure. But when we start to strengthen these two areas of pressure, those isobars become more tighter, close together. So that results in those stronger wind speeds. On a more micro scale, our severe thunderstorms that we see during the spring and summer, they have extremely tight pressure gradients, very tight and close-knit isobars. So that's why we see those stronger winds upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour. And would you believe Rochester, Minnesota is the second windiest city in the United States? It is, with an average mile-per-hour wind speed of 12. This is all credited to Redfin. Amarillo, Texas, the top windiest city with 12.9 mile-per-hour winds on average. A lot of Texas cities included in our top 10 list. Even Fargo, North Dakota, coming in at number 9 at 11.1 miles per hour. So that's what causes wind, and a neat little tidbit there, the top 10 windiest cities in the United States. If you have any questions related to weather or science, please send them in to weather@kimt.com, and I'll be sure to answer them over the coming weeks.